Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do the demo about how to enable and disable the Defender for server plans at the resource level. So this resource level enablement is available for Azure virtual machines and on-prem instances are configured with the Azure Arc as a part of the Defender for server plans. And this enablement can be happening only through the REST API. So for this, we have to do the download of a PowerShell script from the provided location and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the setup. So let me show how my subscription looks like for my demo. So here, if you see here, I have Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Server Plan 2 is enabled under my subscription. So it means all servers are running under this subscription will also inherit the same plan. But I want to change this. I want one specific VM. I want to change the Defender for Server plan from 2 to 1. For this, what I have to do is I have to go to the location which is mentioned in the article. If you click on the download this file, and it will take you to this location where you can download this PowerShell script. And once you have the PowerShell script ready, then you can follow the on-screen instruction to complete the enablement process. So I have already downloaded my PowerShell script here. So I'm going to execute this PowerShell script now. And before I run this script, I just want to validate how my the Defender for Cloud plans looks like. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my page where I want to validate how my subscription looks right now. For that, what I am doing is I'm just going to run my subscription ID to find out what is the plan is enabled right at this moment. So for putting my scope ID, I'm going to run here, and if you see here, the sub plan is plan 2. So my subscription is enabled with the Defender for Server plan 2. And let me do the same thing for my specific resource where I want to change from plan 2 to plan 1. So I'm going to change the scope ID here, and again I'm going to run this, and if I check here, and still as expected, my the server which is running under the subscription is also inherit the same plan, which is P2. Now I want to change this to P2 to P1. For this, what we are going to do is we are going to run this PowerShell script here, and once you enter, then you can follow the on-screen instruction, and it is ask you to enter the subscription ID. So for that, I'm going to copy my subscription ID here, and going to do the input, and it is asking me to how you want to set the price. Are you going to do the set the price for the resource group, or you want to go with the tag value? Since I'm going to change the plan only for one specific server, I'm going with the tag value, and it is asking me to enter the tag name. So I know my tag name, which is DFSP1, and then it is asking for the value. Yes, it is true, and it's saying that one machine is found under this tag, and I want to proceed with this change. So it is asking me to set the pricing tier. So if you see here, it is giving me free or standard. Since I want to enable the P1, I'm going for a standard, and it is giving the updating pricing configuration for this server, and the overall message is, if you noticed here, the successfully set resource is 1. So now let me go back to my API call method, and let me verify for my the whole subscription first, just to make sure there is no change happened on my subscription level. So if I'm running this code here, I'm getting the plan as P2, which is expected, but I want to now run the for my specific VM, which I made the changes from plan 2 to plan 1. So now I'm going to run this here, and if you see here, the plan information got changed from P2 to P1. So this is how you can do the change at the resource level. Now let's see how to disable the Defender for Server Plan 1 that we just enabled in our resource level, and I want to roll back that change back to its original state. So for that we can use the REST API method. Uh, what we can do is I'm going to copy the pricing name which is asking here, so which is going to be my virtual machine, and the scope ID is going to be my the virtual machines scope ID. Copying this, and then here if you notice this, I'm going to use the delete method to clear the value which we have just created. So I'm going to run this one, and you got the response code 200. So now I can go back and validate whether it is successfully deleted or not. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going back to my get method, and I want to see whether the disabling Defender for Server Plan 1 is successfully applied or not. So for this, I'm going to put my pricing name as the virtual machine, and I have already copied my scope ID. Now I'm going to run this, and now if I see here, it's the plan got changed from P1 to P2. It came back to its original state. So this is how we can enable and disable the Defender for plan at resource level. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will come up with the next informative content on my another video. Have a great day.